It's a really intense 4 days workshop where we create a clickable Fiori prototype together with the end users, which is very good and makes it way easier for us as consultants when we have it clickable instead of just talking about an idea.
We are putting really the human, like the real end user, in the focus. And when sitting in the office, it's just not possible to have this high amount of empathy. That is also why we created great applications in such a short time.
Also ein Riesenproblem ist auf jeden Fall die Informationsbeschaffung, Bereitstellung für unsere Mitarbeiter vor Ort. Unnötige Leerfahrten für unsere Mitarbeiter.
We wanted to eliminate this driving because it's inefficient and bring the information faster to where it is needed.
Am Ende, wenn er alle Informationen zusammen hat, ist die Hoffnung, dass er einerseits weniger Fehler macht in seiner Tätigkeit, weil er mehr Informationen hat und gleichzeitig, wenn er sozusagen seinen Auftrag abgearbeitet hat, dass er jegliche neue Informationen auch sofort zur Hand hat.
When people see it for the first time, they wouldn't give it the point that it's SAP. And all of a sudden they see SAP in a different light. It makes it way more tangible, easier to find what you need. It's a personalized user interface. And it motivates them to see what they can get.
SAP Fiori is also very flexible because you can create applications for tablets, for mobile phones and for desktop. So in this case, after seeing the Salt Mine Underground, we knew immediately that the tablet would be the perfect solution, and with SAP Fiori it was very fast to create applications for this use case.
In the past, I as a user had to adopt to the old SAP. Now I got more the feeling that the system adopts so that I, the user, can just be me and just use it.